Hello, and welcome back to Goodwill Wealth Management. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance to discuss a topic that's essential for anyone planning their financial future. In this video, we'll answer the fundamental question, what is an annuity? And explore the different types of annuities available. Whether you're a financial novice or an experienced investor, understanding annuities can be a valuable addition to your financial knowledge. So, let's get started. To begin, let's break down the basics. What is an annuity? Well, simply put, an annuity is a financial product designed to provide a stream of income over a specified period. It's like a contract between you and an insurance company or financial institution. You invest a lump sum or make periodic payments, and in return, you receive regular payments, typically monthly, for a set duration or even for the rest of your life. Now that we know what an annuity is, let's explore the various types you might encounter. There are several, each with its own features and benefits. 1. Fixed annuities. First up, we have fixed annuities. These provide a guaranteed, stable income stream. Your principal is protected, and you receive a set interest rate, making fixed annuities a low-risk option. Great for those seeking security in their investments. 2. Variable annuities. On the other end of the spectrum, we have variable annuities. These allow you to invest in a variety of funds, which means your returns can fluctuate with the market. While they offer potential for higher returns, they also come with higher risk. 3. Immediate annuities. Immediate annuities are for those who want to start receiving payments right away. You make a lump sum payment, and the annuity starts paying out immediately. It's an excellent choice if you need a steady income source in retirement. 4. Deferred annuities. Deferred annuities, as the name suggests, delay your payments until a later date. This can be a smart option for long-term planning, allowing your money to grow tax-deferred until you start receiving payments. 5. Fixed indexed annuities. Fixed indexed annuities combine elements of both fixed and variable annuities. Your returns are linked to an index like the BSE S&P 500, offering potential for growth while providing a minimum guaranteed interest rate. Now that we've covered the main types of annuities, it's essential to consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline when choosing the right one for you. Consulting with a financial advisor is often a wise step to ensure you make the best decision for your unique situation. In conclusion, annuities can be powerful tools for securing your financial future. They provide a reliable income source and can play a significant role in your retirement planning. However, it's crucial to understand the different types and their pros and cons before making any decisions. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our future financial education videos. As always, thank you for tuning in to Goodwill Wealth Management. We'll see you next time.